Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up today. It's up $9.11. That's 8.08%. Close at 121.82. Post-market, well, it's pretty much even Steven with only 1 cent up. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So I'm just pulling back a little bit to show that we have been following a few supports, one at 111.42, which we lost. We lost for only 1 day, but we got back yesterday. And we also have 125.43. Right now, we have a decent volume with Tesla. So the volume has been increasing right here. The volume has been increasing. The stock has been going down. But now we have had 2 days of relatively high volume. So it seems like buyers want to get in now. The buyers want to get in now at this price point. We are still below 125.43, and we are still in the downward trend. The trend has not changed yet. And in order for the trend to change, things are going to happen. We are going to break outside of this downward resistance, and we are going to need to have stochastic over 60. We could have a move that goes like this and still come down. So this is why we should not jump to conclusion when within a downtrend, we have the stock start to go up. That's par for the course. If it goes up like this, it does not mean that it's no longer a downtrend. What means that it's no longer a downtrend is that if we break this downward resistance, so here, as you see here, it did not break it and caved into it. Then it tried again. This time it broke outside of it. But as we say on this channel, we also need stochastic over 60. If not, the breaking resistance is not to be believed. Then guess what? It came down and came back into it. So now it seems now maybe we are going to retest this. Let's not jump to conclusion and let's just watch what is happening as we first try to get outside of this first resistance and then this second resistance. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out during the day. Yeah. We had the gap up first hour of the day, broking 113.94. So this congestion zone did not really last a long time. It lasted just a couple of days. So we opened quite high, trying to go a little bit higher, but could not. So we have another resistance. You can see here, You can see here, this is exactly the same line. This is exactly the same line that we were using as support December 22nd and December 22nd, 23rd, and also right now today. The stock is not making random moves. It's using the same support and a resistance. This is pretty impressive. So intraday right now, we have a resistance at 122.29. And we have a bullish signal on the 1 hour chart because we have a stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. And we also have a break in a smaller downward resistance that we had. Then we could have considered this a buy. And we had a little bit of a pullback, but we seem to be maintaining ourselves quite well right here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic is improving a little bit. We are at 14.98. RSI is coming back around a little bit, still oversold, but coming back over 30 momentarily if we have another good day like this tomorrow. All the other indicators, so MACD is going to take a little bit of a while because MACD is really based on moving averages on a 9-day and on the 12-day and 26-day moving average. So it's going to take time to turn around a little bit. And DMI, which is an indicator that looks at longer term moves. So this one is going to take a while for it to move around. But we don't need all of them. We only need stochastic over 60 and our trend lines Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.